I mean, I am already scared. Okay, let's go. Ding dong. Ding dong what? Ricky, what? What you gonna do, Ricky? Ricky. Put him here. He's scared. He's scared. He's his friend, Ricky. And let's place Ricky here again. There's Diamond grabbing him and killing him. Again.
Wait, no, then I'll get locked out there. Alright, listen, I'm the rat, I'm good. Don't tell anyone. Tell no one or else. Why are you like this? I don't understand why you're like this. Alright, well,
Sorry, is rude. Bro. Don't make me fall, I swear.
You're the sheriff. Okay, here's what I'm gonna use you.
Thank you. Hello.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do something. I'm going on a recon mission. I'm gonna figure out who's the imposter. When I find him, I am gonna come take over your body and shoot the imposter. I know who it is. Who is it? It's Sunday. Sunday's the imposter. Run! It's Sunday.
I'm not alone, okay? I swear. Not scary. Bro, it's not a jump scare. It's not that scary. It's not that scary, okay? It's not that scary. Okay, it's not that scary, okay? Chill. Okay, I know how to do this puzzle. So there's gonna be two. Okay, two. Grab the cookie. Throw him in there. Okay, three. Come on, three should get out.
I need you to pull the trigger as soon as I get off. He is the bad guy. Son, get ready! Shoot!
No. I see it.
I trust you. Oh my god. That was the most stressful thing I've ever done. Alright, let's wait for my round to be whenever.
There's Diamond. Bro, it grabbed him. Dumb dog.
Whenever I kill the rat, right? That's only one of the abilities. These abilities are insane. So, how this works, right? I'm Miss Circle. I need to send 4 crewmates to detention and eliminate them. So, how do I do that, right? I first need to become the smaller Miss Circle. And then, I realm shift. You remember this from me being the rat. Look up here. This is my zone of death, right? So, how I get people to detention, I have to go to the detention board and choose a quest. So, watch this.
Bro.
Race your head, cut corners, staple shot.
Okay.
I'm gonna get cut corners.
Scared.
So, whenever I go back to the older world, and I can't get another building.
Run.
So, let me go back to the old world.
Run, don't die. Don't die.
So I need to find.
Don't die.
There might be a sheriff, a medic, there may also be a rat.
Swing. You tried to, huh? Hiya, swing. You.
Now do a pop quiz on it. Come here, I can do a pop quiz.
Yes, fly. Boom, dead. You are dead. Boom, dude. Bro, how to drop this?
What? Why are we?
Drop. How do you should do that? Huh? Okay, let me just respawn. Okay, right back. back again, okay. Should grab the key. Bro, what is this? Titty blood. This titty blood. Bro, you have to restart it again? Oh my gosh. You have to restart it. You have to restart it. Oh. This dog can restart himself, bro. Don't go for the hammer, okay? Okay, let me just do this. Don't go for the hammer first. Oh, okay. There's C again. Go, ding dong device. Okay, what are you ding dong device with? Smith, freaking, Ricky, Pum Pum. Oh, he don't want to. Let's put him again. And he comes. Boom. Instead, let's go out. Ricky's room. Knock the damn door. Made it this far. Sally room again. Okay, we got a tung on all this ding dong device. And it's gonna be says trap. I don't care. I don't care whatever he says. Oh. Blah, blah, blah. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. No, I'm good. He died in there. Bro, he died. Let's go. You ugly, let's go. Okay. When we complete all of this, I'm just trying to get a ding dong device with that cutscene, bro. We need a cutscene. Okay, we gotta do this jumpy again. Toss. Okay, there's double again. Okay, they're gonna jump out. Toss it. Toss curry. They're gonna go again. Don't fall there. They're gonna die. Toss curry in there. Toss curry in there. Toss curry in there. Okay, now we go. So this curry we're gonna put here. Gonna sacrifice him, okay? Grab him, go. Faster, dude. Okay, now we're gonna go here. There's all the heads. Not gonna lie, bro. Okay, let's go on the ding dong device. We have that note on the Ricky Doody. Here we go. Ricky's room. Let's just go this room. Curry's room, baby. It's gonna restart. It's not gonna do anything suspicious. Bro, please don't attack me. No. Yes. Yo. Yes. Got him. Let's go. Pick up the key. Some way we need to distract him. Okay, let's go right here. Sprint. Okay, he got okay, we got him distracted. Insert this. Okay, bro. Accidentally ding dong device team. Okay, Pick up spike. Pick up spike. Got this. Okay. Put the ding dong device here. Okay, now let's distract this to the pick up the key. Don't hit it, bro. Okay, go. Put this in the rack. Yes. We don't need that hammer. Bro, there's the key. Where's the key, bro? Where's the second key? Where's the damn key, bro? Where's the next key? Bro. Okay. Bro, I don't know. Bro, get this freaky pork chop here. Bro. They grab the hammer again. Pick up the hammer. Okay. Oh crap, no. Ding dong device this. Swing. Ding dong. Okay, we need these two. Go, open. Yeah. No, go. We need to kill a certain thing here. We need to open this. Yes. Stuck it. Let's go. Sprint. Yes. So the ray gun. Go. Exploding. Explode. Go. That's a big circle. Let's go. Let's small this thing. Smaller. Okay, stop the key. Go back. Let's save this to the plunger. This one. Save this. Thank you for helping, bro. Okay, come on, follow. Come on, go. Yo, we go down. Down. Okay, branch. Let's go. Okay, branch right here. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Where should we go, bro? Okay. Bro, score is good. Where should we go next? Right in airport. Sally school. Downey. Forest school. Yes, that's the last one. See you next time for more investigations.